Welcome to ancient Egypt, a world of towering pyramids, golden pharaohs, and some of the strangest, most surprising dishes you have never imagined. You might think Egyptian cuisine was all bread and beer, but what if I told you crocodile meat, fermented fish, and honey-soaked locusts were once delicacies? Let's step into the banquet halls of Ramses the Great. On the royal table you would find roasted duck stuffed with dates, goose fat rubbed into figs, and wait for it, grilled hedgehog. Yes, they covered it in clay, baked it until the spines fell off and served it with herbs. That is ancient innovation. Sounds strange? Maybe. But many of these ancient ingredients still live on today. Take fava beans, eaten daily by Egyptian farmers over 4,000 years ago. Today, a breakfast staple in Egypt and a rising trend in vegan restaurants across Europe. And do not forget molokhia, a slimy green soup that terrified ancient Greek visitors. Today, it is enjoyed in Egypt, Lebanon, and yes, even in parts of France and the United Kingdom by daring foodies. The Egyptians loved their sweets. They made cakes from dates, honey, and nuts, no sugar, no flour, just nature's gold. These ancient energy bars were even carried by soldiers on long campaigns. The original protein snack. Sound familiar? That is because many of these recipes inspired the Mediterranean desserts we know today. Feeling brave? Ancient Egyptians ate crocodile tails, hippo meat, and the famously smelly fermented fish known as feseekh. This dish still divides Egypt today, loved by some, feared by others. This love for fermentation echoes in European delicacies like Scandinavian surströmming or French époisses cheese. Smelly? Yes. Delicious? Maybe. From falafel to figs, dates to lentils, ancient Egypt's table has traveled far. These foods crossed seas and centuries, finding new homes in European cafes, American markets, and your very own kitchen. So what ancient Egyptian food has made it to your country? Is it the falafel in your sandwich? The dates in your dessert? Or the lentils in your soup? Comment below and let us know what you have tried, or what you would dare to taste. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more journeys through time, taste, and history. Subscribe now, and let the flavors of ancient Egypt surprise you.